I'm the mother flippin' rhinoceros. My beats are fat and the birds are on my back and I'm horny. If you choose to proceed, you will indeed concede. 'Cause I hit you with my flow, the wild rhyme will stampede. I'm not just wild, I'm trained, domesticated. I was raised by a rapper and rhymer that dated and subsequently procreated. That's how it goes. Here's the hip-hop-opotamus, the hip-hop-hip-hop.
They call me the hip-hop-opotamus. My lyrics are bottomless.
Sometimes my rhymes are polite, and I thank you for dinner, Miss Right. That was very delicious. Good night. Sometimes they're obscene, like a pornographic dream. NC-17 with ladies in a stream of margarine. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, some margarine.
They call me the hip-hop-opotamus. Flows that glow like phosphorus, popping off the top of this esophagus, rocking this metropolis. I'm not a large water-dwelling mammal. Where did you get that preposterous hypothesis? Did Steve tell you that perchance? Steve.
My rhymes and records, they don't get played, because my records and rhymes, they don't get made. And if you rap like me, you don't get paid. And if you roll like me, you don't get laid.
My rhymes are so potent that in this small segment I made all of the ladies in the area pregnant. Yeah, sometimes my lyrics are sexist, but you lovely bitches and hoes should know I'm trying to correct this.
Other rappers dismay, say my rhymes are sassy. Why?
Why?
Why? What?
Hey, why exactly?
What? Why?
Be more constructive with your feedback, please. Why?
Why? Why? 'Cause I rap about reality, like me and my grandma drinking a cup of tea. There ain't no party like my nana's tea party. Hey, oh, I'm the mother flippin'.
I'm the mother flippin'.
I'm the mother flippin'.
Who's the mother flippin'?
I'm the mother flippin'.
I'm the mother flippin'.
I'm the mother flippin'.
Mother flippin'.